In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself with localhost using WordPress. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or a business website, WordPress plugins are essential for enhancing and customizing your site. Today, we'll walk through the process of installing a plugin on your WordPress site hosted locally. We'll be focusing on ease and understanding, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll feel confident making these changes on your own. To get started, open your web browser and type localhost in the URL bar, followed by the path to your WordPress admin panel. If you've set up your local server correctly, this will bring you to your WordPress dashboard. Now, you might be new to using localhost. It essentially allows you to develop websites on your own computer rather than online, a very handy tool for testing and developing before going live. Once you're in your WordPress admin area, look on the left-hand side of the dashboard. You will find a menu item labeled Plugins, a crucial element of WordPress as it allows you to add functionalities not available by default. Now, let's click on Add Plugin. This is where the magic happens, as you have a whole world of potential at your fingertips. The WordPress plugin directory is vast, filled with software that can extend the capabilities of your site in numerous ways. You'll see a screen listing featured or recommended plugins, but for our purposes, let's assume you know the specific plugin you want to install. You can use the search bar in the upper right corner to find it quickly. Once you've found your desired plugin, it's as easy as clicking Install Now, located next to the plugin's name. As you click Install Now, WordPress will automatically download and unpack the plugin for you. This might take a couple of moments depending on the size of the plugin and your internet connection, so just sit tight. Once it's done, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. This step is vital. Installing a plugin doesn't make it active or operational on your site. Simply click Activate to start using your new plugin immediately. Now you've learned how to install a WordPress plugin from your local server. You've added a whole new layer of customization to your website. Plugins can enhance your site's functionality tremendously, from optimization tools to social media integrations and everything in between. Just remember that while plugins can add great features, it's important not to overdo it. Installing too many plugins can slow your site down, so be selective and mindful of your choices. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully you found this guide clear and informative. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment down below with any questions you might have. Until next time, happy coding!